How to enable battery protection in phone. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to turn on the limit charging. So let's just dive right into the video and follow out these steps in order to do so. So first of all, we can head over to our settings application, open it up. And once we open up the settings, we can look out for the option called battery or battery and device care and go ahead and tap on that option. Once we tap on that option here, we should be finding different options available. We can look out for the option called battery, the very first option, and tap on it. And once tapped on it, we should be finding an option called battery protect very easily. So we just need to turn on this option, and that will limit the maximum charge to 85% or 80%. This reduces battery aging by reducing the time spent at maximum charge, often offering options like maximum, minimum, adaptive, or basic protections. So all we gotta do is basically tap on this option to enable it, and we can look out for the details here. We can view the details right here, and that will show us the battery uses as well. So I can just go and follow this process for usually Samsung Galaxy One UI. You can also follow the same process for other devices as well. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.